Paw Productions, in association with Canine Cinema, proudly presents a series of silent films on
persistence.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to this morning's assembly all about persistence. Now, even if you don't know what that word means just yet, and don't worry, I'm going to tell you in a minute, I guarantee that each and every one of you already show this quality in your day-to-day lives. And that is because persistence, or being persistent, is that ability to not give up, to keep working hard at something, even if it's a little bit difficult at the start, or even if it's not going your way when you begin. By just showing persistence, you're going to achieve your aims. And that quality has seen so many people throughout history achieve the most spectacular things by having persistence as their motivation to achieve. But it's not just humans that show persistence. Every single creature on this earth has to show persistence in their day-to-day lives, including dogs. So I thought it'd be quite fun, as a little introduction for your assembly on persistence, to follow Alfie round with my camera, just seeing how much persistence he has to apply to his day-to-day living to achieve what he wants. And the results, I think, are quite funny. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the short films on persistence through the eyes of Alfie.
Throw the ball. Where's my stick? The bigger, the better. Clean as a whistle. Where's my post? A wee cuddle, please.
He's a persistent wee thing, isn't he? Now you might be wondering, what on earth has a dog carrying a huge stick around in his mouth, or waiting for the post, or waiting for a ball to be thrown? What has that got to do with me and the theme of persistence in this assembly? Well, for me, I reckon it demonstrates very well the whole concept behind persistence, because even though that stick was not of an appropriate size for Alfie, it was far too big for him. That's the one he wanted, and he worked really, really hard until he had it between his teeth and he wandered around Tutankhamun very proudly with it in his mouth. When he wants to cuddle, usually when I'm playing the piano, he will paw at my leg until I stop, pick him up, put him on my lap, and then he's happy. I can't play, but that doesn't matter. So what I'm saying, boys and girls, is those are just examples of how Alfie had to work at something to achieve what he wanted to. And I'm thinking how we can encourage you to do the same in school. Alfie and I have written you a song, and this song just takes you through some of the subjects that you definitely need to show persistence in, and in that way encourage you to do so. Now, at the end of the song, you should be watching out for some very special appearances from some of my friends who you definitely would recognise. So enjoy it, boys and girls. I hope this assembly has really shown you that persistence pays off. So boys and girls, keep in your heads that everybody loves a trier. And remember,
Persistence.
when you're met with a sum that just makes your brain go numb, remember, persistence. Take a breath, ask for help, don't just sit there full of doubt. Remember, persistence. When the numbers don't add up, don't be down, we all get stuck. Even Einstein got it wrong, but he'd have loved this little song, so persevere. Take your time, soon you'll make it cross the line. Remember, persistence. When English lit does not sit, and you've run out of good wit, remember, persistence. When the words sound absurd and you're struggling to be heard, remember, persistence. Even Shakespeare at times lost his writing, lost his rhyme, so he rested his brain and soon the writing flowed again. Have a break, take a mo, and soon the words will flow. Remember, persistence. When you're practicing Bach, but it's shaky from the start, remember, persistence. When the keys do or screech and the notes seem out of reach, remember, persistence. Yes, the music requires us to use our ears and eyes, so concentrate with all your might, and Bach will soon be sounding right. But don't you dare pack it in, practice with a steely grin, and remember, persistence. When it's freezing out there, the ball is flying everywhere, remember, persistence. And it's wet and it's cold and you're just about to fold, remember, persistence. For there's sure to be a day when the game won't go your way. Find the strength inside your heart, best foot forward and take part. Then watch the goals start to soar as you hit your highest score, 'cause you remembered, persistence. When the curtain's going up, but your head's an empty cup, remember, persistence. Or you're standing in the wings and not sure of anything, just remember, persistence. Even stars with name and lights get the wobbles on first night, But like them, you must try, hold your nerve and soon you'll fly. See the audience start to rise as the tears fall from their eyes. Remember, persistence.
Shoot for the stars, but if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead.
The impossible missions are the only ones which succeed.
I think it all comes down to motivation. If you really want to do something, you will work hard for it.
Working hard is how to be successful.
Deeds, not words, was to be our permanent motto.
It is the work that matters, not the applause that follows.